Unity Stream Erasmus Project. European citizenship refers to the shared rights and responsibilities granted to citizens of European Union (EU) member countries. It allows individuals to enjoy freedoms beyond their own nations, such as the right to live, work, and vote in any EU country thanks to the freedom of movement. Humanity means the shared existence and values of all people. It connects people of different cultures, languages, and beliefs by promoting universal principles like peace, justice, and equality. Common human values include freedom, democracy, respect for human rights, tolerance, solidarity, and justice. These values unite people from diverse backgrounds, helping them live together peacefully. European citizenship is built on these shared principles, allowing people to identify not only with their nation but also as part of the global human family. In conclusion, European citizenship provides equal rights and opportunities within member states, while common human values create a universal foundation that brings all people together.